What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to scratch and brown this house right here. We're going to be using rapid set cement, and I'm working by myself today, so I'm going to show you everything step by step. We're going to show you how to mix, and we're going to show you how to plaster. We're going to show you how to get mud on the ceilings, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video. Take a look. Now we're gonna be installing foam trim. See this? You gotta match the existing. Alright, your next step is a little bit of spray glue. You don't need this, but this helps the mesh stick. And you need a fiberglass mesh. You just gotta pull that out. Before you do that, just spray it lightly. Alright, now I'm going to be showing you guys secrets of the trade. Stucco does not stick to painted surfaces, just like this. This is a painted stucco wall. If you put stucco on there, it's going to pop off within a year or two because stucco does not adhere to cement products. So what we're going to do is we're going to put polymer modified cement, which also known as foam tech. This is the same stuff we use for the foam. Now it's a really strong, really sticky cement, and it's going to behave as a primer so our stucco could adhere to it. Now what happens is, if we were to just go up to this joint, you're going to have a big joint going up and down here. So what we want to do is we want to put that polymer modified cement, the foam tech, on this painted surface and go up to this corner to prevent a joint. That way we can stucco almost from corner to corner, and we're going to have a small joint right here in this corner. Everything else is going to look almost brand new. So stick around, I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, now for the stucco. We got it started. I got help today. So you always want to make sure you start at the top. That way, because if you start at the bottom, everything that falls is going to splash on your wall. It's going to mess up the finish. So you want to start at the top. Alright, check it out. Let's go. Well, there you have it. Now it's ready for paint. We're just doing the finishing touches, but we're good to go. Let's go to the next job.